My name's Tom McMahon and I'm on the grad development program here at AEMO. I've been on it for coming up on 2 years, so nearly done. And yeah, in my fourth 6-month rotation. I work out of the Melbourne office and my background is I studied a Bachelor of Science at the University of Melbourne and majored in mathematical physics. And at the end of that, I sort of decided that I wasn't really interested in research and I wanted to do something where I could use my STEM skills to help people. So I took a year off, tried to broaden my horizons and came back and did a Masters of Electrical Engineering with a focus on power systems. I've always been really passionate about the renewable energy transition and all of the really interesting problems that it poses. And yeah, so AEMO was really the obvious choice at the end of that for their role in the transition. You really get trusted as a grad to do your work, to get things done, and it also means that sometimes you get the opportunity to do some pretty cool stuff for a grad. For instance, this project that I'm working on, which is this ISF scheduler prototype. It's, the technical details of it are that it's a scheduler for system strength and inertia. But really why I care about it is that it's going to be pretty important for the transition. We're moving away from a grid that has heaps of coal and gas and hydro that provide these sort of stability services like inertia and system strength. And we need to move to a world where those can be provided by renewable sources. And it's been great to have the opportunity as a grad to work on something that feels so important.